Now we are starting the exercise 3.2 of chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. The first question is solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Here 6 questions are given in first question. So we will solve these one by one. Question is x plus y is equal to 14, that is equation 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, that is equation 2. From equation 2 we can write it as x is equal to 4 plus y, that is equation 3. Now put x is equal to 4 plus y in equation 1. So we get 4 plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus y becomes 2y is equal to 14. So 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, because 4 when we carry it to the other side it becomes of negative sign. So 2y is equal to 10, y comes out to be 5. So we have got the value of 5. Now put value of y in equation 1. We get x plus 5 is equal to 14. So x comes out to be 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So this is the solution of the first part, mean x is 9 and y is 5. Second question is s minus t is equal to 3, that is equation 1. s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6, that is equation 2. From equation 1 we can write s is equal to 3 plus t, because when we carry t to other side then it becomes of plus sign. This is equation 3. Now put value of s in equation 2. We get 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t divided by 2 is equal to 6. So here 3 2 taken as LCM 6. So 3 2 6, 2 multiplied by 3 plus t, then plus 3 multiplied by t is equal to 6. So 2 3 ja 6 plus 2t plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. So here we will do 6 plus 3 2t plus 2t become 5t, and 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. So now we will carry 6 to other side, it becomes negative sign. 5t is equal to 36 minus 6 comes out to be 30. So t comes out to be 30 divided by 5. So it comes out to be 6. So t put value of t in equation 1. So s minus 6 is equal to 3. So it becomes s is equal to 3 plus 6, because 6 becomes of a plus sign when we carry it towards the other side. So s comes out to be 9 and t comes out to be 6. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. The third part of the question is 3x minus y is equal to 3, that is equation 1. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9, that is equation 2. From this equation 2 we can write it as, taking 3 outside it becomes 3x minus y is equal to 9. From equation 2 3x minus y 9, it becomes 3x minus y is equal to 9 by 3, taking it other side, so it becomes 3. So it is as 3x minus y is equal to 3. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. They are of the same. Thus they have equation 1 and equation 2 are same. So they are coincident and they have many solutions. So this is the answer of the third part of the question. Now we will carry to the fourth part of the question, that is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, that is equation 1, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3, that is equation 2. From equation 1 we can write it as 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y, because when we carry 0.3y towards the other side it becomes of minus sign. So x comes out to be 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. So this is equation 3. Put x 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 in equation 2. In this equation putting the value of x, so 0.4 multiplied by 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So 0.4 multiplied by 1.3 becomes 0.52 minus 0.4 multiplied by 0.3 becomes 0.12y divided by 0.2. So plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Here again 0.52 minus 0.12y plus 0.5y multiplied by 2 becomes 0.1y is equal to 2 multiplied by 2.3 becomes 4.6. So here we will carry these terms to one side. 0.52 minus 0.12y plus 0.1y minus 4.6 is equal to 0. So subtracting 0.46 it is 0.46 not 4.6. So subtracting 0.46 from 0.52 we remained with 0.06, that is 0.12 minus 0.12 is more than minus plus 0.1, so it becomes minus 0.02y. so this comes out to be y is equal to 0. So it can be written as 0.06 is equal to 0.02y. So y can be written as 0.06 divided by 0.02, cancelling point with point, so it becomes 6/2. The answer comes out to be 3. Put value of y is equal to 3 in equation 3. So x comes out to be 1.3 minus 0.3 multiplied by 3 divided by 0.2. So it becomes 1.3 minus 0.3 ja 0.9 divided by 0.2. So it becomes 1.3 minus 0.9 comes out to be 0.4 divided by 0.2, cancelling point with point, it becomes 4/2. So x value comes out to be 2. So we have got the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So this is the solution of the fourth part of the question. Fifth part of the first question is under 2x plus under root 3y is equal to 0, that is first equation. Under root 3s minus under root 8y is equal to 0, that is second equation. From equation 1 we can write it as under root 3y is equal to minus 2 under root x, or we can write y is equal to minus 2 under root x divided by under root 3. Consider it as equation 3. Now put value of y in equation 2. We get 3 under root x minus 8 multiplied by minus 2 under root x divided by under root 3 is equal to 0. So it becomes 3 under root x minus 8 under root. 8 under root multiplied by 2 becomes 16 under root. 6 divided by under root 3 is equal to 0. So here under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 becomes 3x, and minus 16 under root can be written as 4x is equal to 0, because minus multiplied by minus becomes plus sign. So it is 3x plus 4x. So 7x, 3x plus 4x, 7x is equal to 0. So x comes out to be 0. Put value of x in equation 3. We get y is equal to minus 2 under root multiplied by 0 divided by 3. Y also comes out to be 0, because 2 multiplied by 0, 0 by 3 is equal to 0. So value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is equal to 0. This is the solution of the fifth part of the question. Now the sixth part of the first question. 3x minus 2 minus 5y divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This is equation 2. Now from equation 1, taking 2 and 3 LCM 6. So 2 3 multiplied by 3x and 3 2 multiplied by 5y is equal to minus 2. So 3 3 ja 9x minus 2 5 ja 10y is equal to minus 12. So from this minus 10y is equal to minus 12 minus 9x. So y is equal to minus, keeping or sign outside, 12 minus plus 9 x divided by 10 minus sign cancelled. So y comes out to be 12 plus 9x divided by 10. This is equation 3. Now put y is equal to 12 plus 9x divided by 10 in equation 2. We get x by 3 plus 12 plus 9x divided by 10 multiplied by 1 by 2, because y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Here again it can be written as x by 3 plus, taking LCM of this as multiplying this through this, it becomes 12 plus 9x is equal divided by 20 is equal to 13 by 6. Now it can be written as taking LCM 60. So it becomes 20x plus 3 12 plus 9x is equal to 13 by 6. So 20x plus 36 plus 27x divided by 60 is equal to 13 by 6. Again taking LCM as 60, so it becomes 20x plus 36 plus 27x is equal to 13 multiplied by 10, because this. So it becomes 20x plus 27x 47x. 13 multiplied by 10 130. 36 when we will carry it to the other side it becomes minus 36, so it comes out to be 94. So x comes out to be 94 divided by 47. On cancelling it becomes 2, so put x is equal to 2 in equation 3. We get y is equal to 12 plus 9 multiplied by 2 divided by 10, it comes out to 12 plus 18 divided by 2, it comes out to be y is equal to 30 by 2. So y value comes out to be 12 plus 18 divided by 10, 30 divided by 10, so it comes out to be 3. So value of y comes out to be 3. This is the answer of the sixth part of the question. Now the second question, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Solution of the question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is the first equation. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. That is second equation. Solve equation 1 and 2 by substitution method. So here 2x is equal to minus 24 plus 4y. So x comes out to be, we have taken second equation first, minus 24 plus 4y divided by 2. So this is equation 3. Put equation 3 in equation 1. We get 2 multiplied by minus 24 plus 4y divided by 2 plus 3y is equal to 11. So cancelling 2 with 2 it becomes minus 24 plus 4y plus 3y is equal to 11. So minus 24 11 when we carry to other side it will become also negative sign, and 4y plus 3y becomes 7y is equal to 0. Now 24 and 11 becomes minus 35 and 7y when we will carry it to other side it becomes of negative sign. So y comes out to be 35 divided by 7 comes out to be 5. So we have calculated the value of y 5. Put value of y in equation 3. We get x is equal to minus 24 plus 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 because y value is 5. So it becomes minus 24 plus 20 divided by 2, it becomes minus 4 divided by 2. Cancelling it comes out to be minus 2. So x comes out to be minus 2. Now according to the question we have to calculate the value of m. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Y we have calculated here 5 and m we have to calculate. X we have given calculated minus 2 plus 3. So we will carry 3 to this side, it becomes negative 5 minus 3 minus 2m. So it m comes out to be 2 divided by minus 2. So m comes out to be minus 1. So this is the solution of the second question. So we have completed 2 questions of this exercise 3.2. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel.